the studio. Yes. And the weather's got really woolly and bad again. So I've shut things down. It's just crazy, crazy storms we're having. Electrical storms as well. So I'll turn around and have a look. It's amazing because there's a nice little blue bit of sky over there. And right above me is boom, boom, and the worst of it. It's really good for the water. They're in the plants. Excellent. Oh well, there we go. That's enough of that. Back in here. Looks pretty, doesn't it? Hey, all the lights and stuff. That's what I do. That's what we set up for the show, folks. All this stuff. So I love it. I love it to bits. I'm really happy with what's going on. It's going to get even better because we're going to put a new set at the back corner there. And yeah, wait until you see all that. It's organised. Anyway, see you next time. Ta-da. Behind the scenes, eh?